How to add friends on Clash Royale. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add new friends to your Clash Royale account. So the first thing is you want to launch the game, and to add new friends, what you have to do is tap on this icon at the top right here. Just tap on it and you can see all of your friend list from here. But if you want to add new friends, you can tap on invite friends. So what this will do is give you a link. You can just copy this link and it will be copied to your clipboard. You can paste it wherever you want or whoever you want to invite as your friend. And once you do that, what you can do is send them, and if they tap on the link, they will automatically connect it to your friend list. And the other thing that you can do is tap on this 3 lines icon at the top right and tap on Supercell ID. If you don't have a Supercell ID, you can make one and connect your Clash Royale to it. You can even connect all of the Supercell games from there. And to add new friends, this will be your friend list right here. And tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. It will give you a QR code, and by scanning this QR code, you can add new friends. And this is how you can make new friends on Clash Royale. There is one other method that you can do. Once your match is over, there is another way that you can add friends. So if you are playing 2v2, you can tap on this plus icon to add them as a friend or to send friend request. And once you do that, if they accept your request, they will be added to your friend list. And that's a few ways on how you can add friends on Clash Royale. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.